Hi everyone, it's Allison Shaw here. I am a wellness coach and I'd like to tell you about my friend Pauline. She's a dedicated meditator and she wants to share her transformative journey with meditation. Pauline has a serene presence and a gentle smile and embodies the profound benefits of regular meditation practice. As an avid practitioner for years, she radiates inner peace and vitality. Through Pauline's heartfelt narrative, you'll discover how meditation has empowered her to navigate life's challenges with grace, cultivate mindfulness in everyday moments, and foster deep connections with herself and others. Her story serves as a beacon of inspiration, illuminating the profound potential for personal growth and well-being through the practice of meditation. Watch and enjoy.
Hi there, it's Pauline Wills again. As I sit here bathed in the soft glow of morning light, I find myself filled with an overwhelming sense of gratitude for the remarkable transformation that has unfolded in my life, all thanks to the guidance of my meditation coach and teacher, GIOVANNI. Allow me to share with you the profound impact GIOVANNI has had on my journey to inner peace and well-being. From the moment I embarked on this path with GIOVANNI, I knew I was in the presence of someone truly special. His gentle demeanor and unwavering support have been like a guiding light, leading me out of the darkness of stress and anxiety and into a place of profound serenity and calm. Through GIOVANNI's courses and teachings, I have learned to embrace meditation as a powerful tool for transformation. His methods are not just about quieting the mind, they are about cultivating a deep sense of presence and mindfulness in every moment. With his guidance, I have learned to let go of the incessant chatter of my thoughts and connect with a place of inner stillness and tranquility. What truly sets GIOVANNI apart is his unwavering belief in the power of meditation to transform lives. He doesn't just teach meditation, he embodies it. His daily rituals of rising at dawn for meditation and adhering to disciplined routines have inspired me to cultivate similar practices in my own life. I can still vividly remember the first time I experienced the euphoria of finishing a meditation session with GIOVANNI. It was like a weight had been lifted off my shoulders and I was filled with a profound sense of peace and contentment that I had never experienced before. From that moment on, I was hooked, and thanks to GIOVANNI and his teachings, I no longer live in a constant state of stress and anxiety. Instead, I approach each day with a sense of calm and equanimity, knowing that no matter what challenges may arise, I have the tools to navigate them with grace and ease. If there is one thing I would urge everyone to embrace, it is the practice of meditation. It has truly been a life-changing experience for me, and I know it can be for you too. With GIOVANNI as your guide, the possibilities are endless, so take that first step and embark on the journey to inner peace and well-being. You won't regret it.
Hello, it's Allison once more. I hope you found value and insights into the power of meditation. If you're interested in further exploring this practice, you can connect with Pauline's teacher and mentor, GIOVANNI, by clicking the link provided in the video's description box below. GIOVANNI is recognized as one of the world's top 5 meditation experts, and you'll gain invaluable lessons from him. Take this opportunity for yourself. Don't forget to click the link, subscribe, and give us a like. Thank you for your time.